Today we shall discuss about capacitance of three-phase double circuit with unsymmetrical spacing but transposed. Okay, there are three stages. A double circuit, it is A, B, C, and A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay, there are three stages. In each stage, the position of the conductor, A is first position, B is in second position, and C is in third position. In next stage, it will shifted to A is shifted to second position, B is shifted to third position, and C is shifted to first position. Same for A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay, the position of the conductor will change in each stage. First, the standard equation you can take, I have written separately. You can take it as standard equation. Okay, first equation what I have written, that is only standard equation. You go on changing the distance values. Okay, you can see here the distance between AB is D. DAA means R plus ln distance between A and B dash is M. The distance between A and A dash is N. Next plus QB ln distance between B and B is R. Distance between B and A is D plus ln distance between B and B dash is H. Distance between B and A dash is M. Next plus QC ln distance between C and B is D. Distance between C and A is 2D plus ln distance between C and B dash is M. Distance between C and A dash is H. Okay, the only distance will change. Okay, the position of the conductor will change in each stage, so the distance between the conductors also change. Okay, second equation you can see the standard equation will be same for three. Okay, VAB1, VAB2, VAB3, but the distance value will be change. Okay, in VAB2, 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln distance between AB is D, distance between AA and is R plus distance between A and B dash is M, distance between A and A dash is H plus QB ln DBB, distance between B and B is R, distance between B and A is D, distance between B and B dash is H, distance between B and A dash is M. The distance between the C and B is 2D, distance between C and A is D, the distance between C and B dash is H, the distance between C and A dash is M. Go on changing the distance between the conductors what I mentioned in the standard equation. Okay, in each stage, for stage 1 I have written VAB1 first equation. Okay, next for stage 2 VAB2 second equation. For stage 3, by seeing the stage, okay, I have mentioned here first stage, second stage and third stage. By seeing that, change the distance values, and after getting 3 equation, add those 3 equation divided by 3. Next you need to remember that log A plus log B plus log C, if it is there, we will take it as log A into B into C. Okay, that is what I have done here. 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon QA ln 2D cube divided by R3 plus ln M square H divided by N square H plus QB ln R to the power of 3 divided by 2D cube plus ln N square H divided by M square H plus QC ln 2D cube divided by 2D cube plus ln M square H divided by M square H. Okay, you will get QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square plus QB ln R to the power of 3 N square divided by 2D cube M square. Okay, next for same write equation for VAC. Okay, change only instead of QB you write QC. Okay, next add those two equation VAB plus VAC is equal to 3 times of VAN. Again you need to remember here it's here also ln A plus ln B, if it is there ln A into B. Okay, Next, take common ln r to the power of 3 n square divided by 2d cube m square. Okay, instead of qb plus qc I have substituted minus qa, that we can minus qa ln r to the power of 3 n square divided by 2d cube m square, we can write it as plus qa ln 2d cube m square divided by r to the power of 3 n square. I have changed the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. Okay, if it is minus log a divided by b, we can write it as plus log b divided by a. Okay, that is what I have done here. 3 VAN is equal to 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon 3 times of QA ln 2d cube m square divided by r to the power of 3 n square. 3 get cancelled. VAN is equal to 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon QA ln 2d cube m square divided by r to the power of 3 n square. CAN is equal to QA divided by VAN. Substitute, you will get 6 pi epsilon divided by ln 2d cube m square divided by r to the power of 3 n square. Okay, instead of 6, I have taken 2 divided by 1 divided by 3. Okay, if it is, you can see a log b. Okay, if it is a log b, we can write it as log b to the power of a, that is 1 divided by 3 ln 2d cube m square divided by r to the power of 3 n square, that I have written as ln 2d cube m square divided by r to the power of 3 n square whole to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, so you'll get 2 pi epsilon divided by ln 2 to the power of 1 by 3 d divided by r 1 to 3 divided by 3 get cancelled, so d by r. Next, for m divided by n, 2 into 1 by 3, 2 divided by 3. The capacitance per phase will be taken as 2 times of CAN. Thank you.